Hi, my name is Henry Simulevich, and this Tableau assignment is being done for the class MAR 4824, and my USF student U number is U85038071. So diving right into the marketing campaign, let me scroll back over here. We have our ID, information including year of birth, education, marital status. We also have income, how many teens and kids are at home, separate categories. We have recency, which would be purchases made, and the number of days since the last purchase. We have the amount spent on certain items like wine, fruits, meats, and this would be within a 2-year span. And now going into the campaign results, we have accepted campaigns. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5 right here. Obviously, campaign 4 was the most successful. Next being campaign 5, going into 3, then 1, and then our campaign 2 was the least successful. And then average income by degree. We have graduate degrees. We have an average income of about 52,000. We have about 27,000 for PhDs. Masters millions. 58 million, 27 million, 19 million. Then we have 9 million for second cycle. And then basic would be just under 2 million. Now amount spent by product. We have meat products with the most amount of money spent total, just above 60,000. And then it goes down the list here between gold products, fish products. Then we also have fruits and then sweets at the bottom. This interactive dashboard here. I'm just going to poke around to click graduation students. It'll be just about average on acceptance between the campaigns. Doctorate degrees went more for the 4. And then when it comes to second cycle, the first campaign and the third campaign were more successful than 4 and 5. Now going into this category for marital status by total wine spent, we have married and together categories. They spent the most money total on wine, as opposed to divorced and single, also widow at the bottom as well. And now if we go to education by in-store purchases, in-store purchases on a total amount, graduation students, they take up half of that whole category. Then we got a third here with the masters, PhD as well, just above that, and the sliver of basic and second cycle takes up the rest. Now going into marital status by discounted price, married and together categories also take the top 2. So married and together, or people that identify as married and together, they're more likely to go in store for discounted price and for total amount spent on wine. So this tells me that these same 2 groups take advantage of wine and discounted prices. So this can be useful information because we can target the groups of people that are married or together with ads focused on wine sales or special deals on mainstream products. Something like either of these would attract someone that is married or someone that identifies as together with another person, and we could increase sales that way. Now going into my dashboard, as I click around here, let me use the filter. It goes up by married. See the numbers churn. Second cycle has more people that are together by deals that are made, or purchases that are made through discounts or deals. And there we go.